find entry there. And since Lord Albert is to Lady Savage, it is not right that a false man remain among them. For I was and am their faithful messenger, and I advance their worth and their value, and I find they're neither hindrance nor harm. Rather, I am honored because I sing for their love. Nevermore should Lord Albert sing of a beloved, for he has renounced all courtesy. And since he calls ladies deceitful, well, should one take him as a traitor? And I tell you true, if the power were mine, never would there be a worse enemy there. For a man is not worthy if in ladies he does not trust, but a base man holds it for great folly. Their love is good and does no harm, for if lady he failed in the beginning, the Mother of God made peace and truce for us of it. So for this we are not sinners, rather every man who keeps company with them is worth so much, that among the good he is held the better. Such a one praises them who knows not what rises from love, for which it is not right that he have more grief from it. And because he mentioned the Duchess and Queen, as if they gave him welcome to their love, let the worthy noble Countess avenge them of Provence, where all worth resides. Let the beautiful Lady Ainazina of Saluzzo make this complaint to her beloved, the Countess Beatrice, her cousin, if she sees him change into any other color. If Lady Salvatka is as worthy as Lady Oramala, as Lord Albert says, he will never more be inside her hall, unless she holds it to her shame and injury. And if ever he sees her or her sister, and they do not make him retreat on a ladder, they are not daughters of Lord Conrad the Lord. For whoever would strike their love beneath the wing must have boldness for it and fear. Yet if the worthy Lady of Massa sees him, she who conquers every day worth and amasses it, and does not beat him until she is weary of it, may God never save a loyal lover for her, nor may she long remain fresh and plump, nor hold her lover in Easter tide, for she is the joy that surpasses every other joy of this world, and with more sweetness. On behalf of the authors and the worthy Countess of Carrot, I wish that Lord Albert's mistress be an old base wife of a common man, because he has spoken ill of them. And if he already has a lady, and she does not make him rue it, let him go dwell elsewhere among the worthy ones. For it is not fitting that any lady should give him in winter